Trucks Plus in Everett, Washington is Washington State's #1 used truck dealer. We proudly serve customers in Everett, Seattle, Linwood, Kirkland, Bellevue, Edmond, Shoreline, and Snohomish County.
Imagine driving this green 1998 Mercury Mountaineer, equipped with a V8 engine and an automatic transmission with only 104,510 miles. Enjoy this great SUV with features like leather upholstery, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, climate control, trip computer or compass, beverage holder, privacy glass, and much more. Have peace of mind in this 1998 Mercury Mountaineer. See us at Trucks Plus today.
We're located right off Highway 99 South and Airport Road in South Everett. We've been here for over 25 years and our prices can't be beat. Come buy your next used truck or car from us.